First, we are introduced to what is called an analog thermometer, which works by the principle of fluid expansion. The heat will cause the fluid to expand in the sealed tube. Now we have thermocouple. It utilizes the principle of an electrical circuit. Two distinct metals or conductors are included in the mechanism where the electromotive force will exist when there is a temperature difference recorded in the metals. For the RTD, it works by recording the change of resistance to get the temperature. The system is constructed by mounting a metal wire on an insulating support structure to prevent mechanical strains by encasing the wire to eliminate the changes in resistance resulting from influences from the sensor's environment. For the thermistor, it consists of only ceramic composite material embedded in an electrical circuit. The change in the resistor will affect the value of temperature. Its sensitivity is relatively high when compared to RTD. Hence, this device can be utilized when the fast response times and highly accurate testing are needed. And that's all from Module 2. Thank you for watching.